friends, I'm Satwant Dutta, the Diva. So today I'm starting with Punjabi mango lassi. You will love it and cherish it. So let's start the recipe. Friends, as I told you, we are making mango lassi. So we have this frozen mango pulp. It's sweetened, so we don't need added sugar. So I think we'll take 2 scoops for a just glass of mango lassi. We'll take 2 scoops. I think 2 scoops are enough. And we have a cup of dahi. So we'll add a cup of dahi in it and a cup of water. Okay, then we'll blend it. As the mango pulp is frozen, so we will blend it, and the curd is also cold, so we can blend it. As I don't like ice, so and everything is very cool, so we'll blend it. Now we'll open the jar and just check it out. Wow, the lassi seems delicious. So here goes the Punjabi mango lassi. Sade Dilli waliyan di dil wali lassi. Very simple to make, very easy, very delicious. I hope you love it. Only with mango pulp, sweetened mango pulp and curd. Thanda thanda dahi, thanda thanda pulp. No ice cubes, nothing. And just have this Punjabi lassi. Thank you.